Good morning, YouTube. Louie here with the best silver gold deals of Friday, June 14th, 2024. We got a little pop going on in the gold and silver market. And here we have gold up 25.90 to 2003.80, and silver up 22 cents, recapturing 29 and holding 29.14. The 10-year yield continues to drop, seems to be plummeting lately. Must be getting close to a bottom here on the 10-year yield, but people are thinking lower rates since all other central banks are cutting. The Fed may not be far behind, even though he didn't say that yesterday. Okay, and the dollar is up as a result of those other currencies lowering interest rates and lowering the attractiveness of their currency. Our dollar is relatively stronger at 105.64. Hasn't been this high since, oh gosh, what is that? June 1st, for a couple weeks. Copper price. All right, we look at copper to try to determine where industrial metals are heading, which can be a tailwind for silver. And copper is 4.48, up just a hair, but not above that 450 level yet. So copper threatening to make a move, but not yet. In the markets, we've got sell-off this morning. The fear index is back up at 42. We have Dow futures down 275. That seems overblown. I'm not sure what that's based on. S&P futures down 22.75 and NASDAQ futures down 38.50. And I just want to show you, by the way, if you're new here, thanks for joining us. I do these videos most every day. We're looking for the best silver gold deals we can find anywhere on the internet. And I have a website, bestsilvergolddeals.com, where you can subscribe and get alerts and join the community in finding the lowest prices. We're not sponsored by any bullion dealer. And I want to show you what I was seeing yesterday. People were fairly bearish yesterday, but this is when I bought. Okay, so this is the SLV, and don't get lost in the prices here, but what we had was what has happened so many times before: a break of the 50-day moving average, stops triggered, people jumping out, speculators jumping out, and then a recovery above it. That is when I picked up some silver on, and I also added to several of my gold and silver miners based on that signal. You don't have to do it that way, but that is what I did. I think I was alone in doing that. I don't know anybody who was buying yesterday, but if you were, congratulations. You're making money today. All right, let's get going through the deals. Best 1/10 gold eagle is at Bold Precious Metals at, sorry, my eyes are blurry, 265.17. All right, moving on. Let's go on to the 1/10 Britannia. Pretty good deal this morning at Liberty Coin, 252.64. And moving on to the Britannia, quarter ounce Britannia, also at Liberty, 619.86. Liberty often has pretty good prices on gold. If you're just looking for any foreign gold and you want the cheapest, it's probably going to be the Panda, a quarter ounce gold Panda, before they switched to the metric system. Some people collect these, but Chinese coins are hard to sell. So 608.19 for a quarter ounce Panda. Next best deal, American Gold Eagle, 1 ounce at Bullion Exchanges, 2,399.80. But it was a literal cornucopia this morning over at Costco. I sent the alert out to the almost 600 subscribers to my website. We had gold buffaloes with a price drop. We have gold eagles. I believe we have silver eagles as well. So we'll check that when we get there. If you are looking for a cheap gold eagle, get right over to Costco right now. Hopefully you have that Executive Club membership, another way that I recommend saving money, buying through Costco with a 2% back credit card and the Executive Club membership, which costs $120 a year. Okay, best price on a buffalo here, it's going to be $24.22, but over on Costco, I believe it's sub $2,300 on that same buffalo. Their buffalo comes in a slab. It's a very attractive slab. So pick that up if you want. Gold Maples, 2,374.49 at bullion exchanges. And we will move on to pre-33 gold this morning. This is one of the better deals out there, and it is in a slab. If that bothers you, crack it out. But here we have a St. Gaudens and an MS64. It's going to be beautiful, untouched, uncleaned, and 2,393.46 if you're looking for pre-33 gold. Okay, and what else do we have? Gold in assay. Well, the cheapest gold in assay anywhere this morning, 2,369.20 at bullion exchanges. I'm not sure. Maybe that's not in assay, or it was in assay and they busted it out of the cards. It doesn't matter. Okay, Platinum Eagles. Now they are at Monument Metals and they are 1,124.69. Platinum not participating in the bounce so far. I'm going to keep moving here. We got the best 1 ounce gold. Silver Eagle, if you're not shopping on Costco, is going to be at spot at bullion exchanges. Remainder of the tube at bullion exchanges, 34.77. It's going to be cheaper on Costco and cheaper on eBay. When we get down to eBay, I'll show you how to save a bunch of money there. Okay, and anything new in the U.S. production of Silver Eagles? We're only at 850,000 for the month of June, but we're only halfway through. We'll see if they continue to curtail Eagle production. I've got my green light on. I want to be accumulating in here. As I said yesterday, I'd be accumulating hard yesterday as we broke and recovered that 50-day moving average. And you may not want to do it that way. A lot of people are really tied into the charts. And I actually do it differently. I think that when there is manipulation and heavy short paper short selling, I do think that they use the 50-day average to shake people out, and then they cover their shorts and it cracks back above it, making everybody wonder why it didn't continue. That's just my thought. You don't have to agree with that. One maple at spot at bullion exchanges. Remainder of the tube at bullion exchanges, 32.48. And Royal Canadian Mint seems to have a glut of silver, so maple prices are down. If you're looking for a random year maple, and a subscriber pointed this out the other day, I probably don't say it often enough, although I have said it before. Now here at JM Bullion, you can get maples for 32.36, a little cheaper. However, when they show the pictures of the maples that are older, the non-shield guard maple, it is possible those maples will milk spot. So keep that in mind if you're buying, but these are cheaper than the others. For the few pennies more, I would get the shield guard, which you can notice with the radial lines here, which will not spot. Okay? All right, and kangaroos, let's do Britannias. So all the Royal Mints seem to be dropping their prices, so that might have something to do with the strong dollar. Now, I find when the dollar strengthens, European and British and other sovereign mints around the world, their prices tend to go down in dollars. That has something to do, I think, with currency exchange. So yeah, you get a Britannia at 31.57 this morning over at Hero Bullion. That's a great price there. Maybe cheaper on eBay. We'll have to see. Okay, the Libertad is also still pretty cheap, 35.93. But if silver pops today, we could easily have a dollar day on silver. We're having a lot of dollar days. You could blink and it could be over 30. I'm just saying. Okay, in Costco, we'll go through the deals this morning. They're probably still there. Let's see. We've got Silver Eagles at $6.90 a tube. You can do the math on that. Maples, I think, are out of stock. No, maples are in stock at $809.99 for 25. Again, you can do the math. And then we had the Gold Eagle. Is that still there? $2,379. And then take 4% off of that. But the deal of the day is absolutely... Oh, see, they snatched up those buffaloes. The buffaloes were $20 cheaper than the Eagles this morning, guys. I think they were sub 2,300. So that quickly sold out. And if you want to be alerted to stuff like that, get on my website, guys. It costs nothing. It's free. Just support the channel any way you can. All right, we've still got junk at spot at Bullion Express. You don't need to pay more, $20.99 for all kinds of different junk over there. And any other really great bars here. Oh man, I don't know. They're all pretty reasonable. This is a decent deal. The random bars at 302.40. I'm sorry, make that 304.40. And then I thought we had some Silvertown bars in here. It might be down in the pick of the day. Kilos are 965.47. That is really close to spot for some beat up old kilos if you think silver is silver. All right, let's see what we can do on eBay. We love to beat these prices. We're going to look for silver eagles. And here, oh my gosh, look at that. Is that real? 674 plus $6 shipping. That seller is away. You can't buy it. Can't buy it. Can't buy it. Okay, yeah, that was nothing. That was nothing, nothing, nothing. Peace dollars. Here we go. 698.20 through bullion.com. Random year, but oh, those are going to be nice, I'm sure. So we'll do 698 divided by 20. Well, we'll call that 35, and then you'll be 3% off. You'll be at 34, and then an extra $10 off if you buy more. You'll be sub 34. The Eagles. So we're sub 34 on eBay, and Costco Eagles are, keep that in your head, sub 34 on eBay, and the Costco Eagles are, Jiminy Christmas, there they are. Costco Eagles are, let's see, that is 34.50 minus 4% would get you probably around 33. So Costco is the better deal this morning, but if you only have 2% off, that eBay deal is probably a better deal. So there you go. Sorry to make you dizzy. Let's see what we can get for maples. How can we beat 31 on maples? Here they are, 784 from a big dealer. I got to do the math on 784 divided by 25 times 0.97. If you have the PayPal or the American Express credit card, I recommend, link in my website. Look at that, $30 maples. Okay, and those are random year. Let's see if they're radial lines or not. No radial lines on that, so those could be the older ones, but that doesn't mean you have to buy that one. Let's see. Oh, look at that. They go to 811. And why does it go to 811? Those are still random. And then 819 for the 2024s. That's a pretty big jump. I'd probably go with the old stuff at 30 bucks a maple. What is that, $1 over spot? Not even $1 over spot this morning. How about Britannias? How cheap can we get Britannias this morning? So let's see, $7.95. Is that a real deal? They are in stock. Okay. And they look brand new. Look brand spanking new there. Let's do $7.95. $7.95 divided by 25 times 0.97. And you're going to get Britannias at 30.84. So the maples are a better deal, but these are modern Britannias. Britannia spot as well, though, just not quite as much as old maples. Okay, let's keep going. Well, you get the message. Just look for whatever you're looking for, kangaroos, Krugerrands. Again, I don't think we're going to beat the spot deal at Bullion Express. Here we're at 231, so you'd be at about 222. Yeah, the junk deals on eBay have not been good lately compared to Bullion Express. Okay, and the Libertads are a good price. Cheapest kilo here is $9.95. You would take 30 bucks off, you'd be at $9.65. Those are better looking kilos, though, than that other deal. I'd probably try those. Okay, and the kilo kook's about $1,000. The roll of kooks is $6.92, so that is about $34.50, about $33.50, guys, for kooks. I got to do the math there. Did I do that math wrong? $6.92. Oh, this is a nice deal, I think. Divided by 20 times 0.97 equals $33.56 for kooks. Man, that's a good deal. Now remember, JM Bullion pays a lot more for kooks, probably at least $2 more for kooks maybe three. So that is not a bad investment. Nice coin, will never deteriorate on you. These Johnson Matthey bars are still here. Man, they must have thousands of these. That's the other one I would buy. I'm tempted to buy that every single day. On the 100-ounce bar category, skip the come-ons, and we are at 30.36, 29.36 or so, which is spot basically through eBay for 100-ounce bars. Who knows what you'll get. I like the BU piece dollars. Here's platinum if you need it. Platinum Eagle. Can we beat that other price in the low 1100s? And we're just going to wait on that one, I guess. Okay, it's not. Oh, there it is. There it is. 1139. 35 bucks off would put you about 1105 on a Platinum Eagle. It is a BU. That's the one you want. It's a good deal on a Platinum Eagle. I think the lowest I paid on mine was 1088. And when platinum pops, man, it really pops, so don't ignore it. In the 1/10 gold category, okay, the cheapest 1/10 gold this morning. What is this? I can't even see it. Oh my God, why would you want that? For God's sakes. Okay, 1/10 maple, here we go. 257, $7 off. This is from Liberty Coin, in stock, and you got yourself 1/10 gold for you guys stacking small gold. And then if you want it, well, shoot, that was a maple, right? No. Yeah, that's a maple. Well, you could stop right there. Boy, if the maple is the cheapest deal, just buy it. Very, very nice. Okay, and we'll do quarter-ounce gold. Cheapest quarter-ounce gold this morning if your budget is a little bit bigger. Forget the Isle of Man. Boy, this wild horse, that's always comes up. 615 minus about 20 bucks. You'd be at about 5.95 for quarter-ounce gold. That is a Canadian mint. Okay, and in the 1-ounce gold category, cheapest 1-ounce gold is really Tudor Beast, $23.99. Really? That's collectible. May not be attractive, but it is collectible. You can pick these up, no shipping, from Spirit Dances 1. 4,000 feedback, 100% feedback. He must have too many Tudor Beasts. I'm sorry, the Yale of Beaufort. Well, heck, $75 off on that puts you under spot this morning on Sovereign Gold. There it is to prove it. Man, that's a good deal. Okay, for gold, if you want gold, if you want foreign gold, that's cheaper than a Krugerrand this morning. Let's see, and in the 20 franc category, 459, you do the math. All right, in the pre-33 category, some of these are cleaned. So, oh, here's that double eagle. Okay, it's very fine. I'd rather it be AU. Well, here's extra fine, extra fine, extra fine AU. Which is it? AU. Okay, yeah, you're going to pay about 15 bucks more, but you can get that St. Gaudens for $23.90 here. $75 off puts you at $23.15 or less on a St. Gaudens in BU form. AU. Oh man, I've got a few of these. Well, at least a couple of these, and I just love them. Stack those all day long, guys. But they are not $9.99, just so you know. It's an ounce of gold, but it's not pure gold. All right, I won't go through the Libertads. I'm lingering here a little too long. Or the Platinum. Stuff in my store. And let's see, I just added something. So if you need these Liberty Britannia medals, I've got some of these. I'll give you a really good price on those if you want to contact me through eBay. And I just listed some of the Baldar, the new God series from Germania Mint. And I'll give you a deal on that too if you need one of those for the first in the series for the God series. Okay, and some other stuff in there if you want it. Haven't got my bars listed yet. Sigma Verifier is $9.19. Be under $900 out the door for a nice Sigma Verifier. And you know the sponsors of the website. I do appreciate you checking those out. All right, and there's Amex card, there's a PayPal card, and the picks of the day. Here's that Sunshine Mint bar. Oh, it was a 100-ounce bar, $3,043 for a modern Sunshine Mint 100-ounce bar. You can get bars $1 cheaper, but you know, it's a Sunshine bar. Okay, and this Kilo Kook actually through the dealer is a good deal at 987. That's a good deal. It was 1015. It was about 990 on eBay, but that's a pretty nice deal right there for the Kilo Kook. The chunky bar this morning is 326. Okay, if you want to pay up for a chunky. And Germania deal is still on. And let's see, anything else I want to close with here? You just go through the website, pick what you like, guys. Got the Una bar is still around. This 1 ounce round is new. The rocket emoji round, not for me, but maybe for you. If you want to pick that up at 30.43, about $1 over spot for those. But the 100 ounce rounds on eBay were going to be right around spot, so I wouldn't spend money on that when I can get them at spot. The other best deal is 30.23 at BGASC. And again, this is going to be low 29s on eBay. Just check out, let's check out that. We just compare these right here, and then I will let you go. Here we're on eBay. Where's the 100 ounce? Did I not do them? I think I forgot to do them. So, oh, they raised the price a little bit. 30.84. Well, I guess I'm wrong. 30.84 for 100 ounce rounds. That is much higher than yesterday. So that's going to put you at 29.80 or so per ounce. That's going to be about 50 cents over spot. So it's still a better deal, but not as good as yesterday. Did spot price go up while I was talking? Let's look again. And what is happening? Yeah, I'd say if you want to buy, you ought to be buying in here. Get it before it goes back over 30. We've got gold up 25.90 and silver up 26 cents. I think we're going to have a good day today, but no guarantees. Just my thoughts. What are your thoughts? Meet me over in the chat room if you haven't been over there. Let's see. And there are some various deals and stuff going on. I posted the Costco in the chat room, the Buffalo this morning, and people saying different things. Let's see. I believe that Minot is having a sale for the 3 dealers on YouTube, 25 cents over spot for secondary rounds, and people are paying $3.29 for that Royal Mint bar. I think they need to drop the price on that. What else? Okay, I don't see much else. So you guys have a good day. Let me know what you're doing. And while you're here, if you appreciate this, please give me a thumbs up. If you want to see more, subscribe. And if you really want to get in the mix, join us on the website as a subscriber and in the chat room and see what the old timers are doing. Okay, guys, I will see you tomorrow. Louie out.